Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Class 8 students, welcome back for the future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Why do we use it? And what is the meaning? Where in our life we are using it? John will have gone by then. I will have eaten before 9 o'clock. Over here you can see the timeline. Timeline is given where past, present and future is mentioned. Okay? We are standing at present, and we over here I'm talking about something that is going to happen in the future. But at certain time in the future it will have been done already. This means if this is 9 o'clock, this time is 9 o'clock, then eating thing will be done somewhere here. That's why it's called preceding the future. Let's discuss something more. You are also going to see will have used here plus past participle. The past participle is the third form of the verb. Third form of the verb, like go, went, gone, eat, ate, eaten. Okay? Let's see what's next. We use the future perfect tense to talk about an action which at a given future time, that is the deadline, at the future time, at the deadline, at a given time, it will be in the past. That action will be in the past. Okay? For example, now the moment of speaking is this. Okay? And this is the deadline, 2020. So before 2020, the work will be finished. And we are talking about now. For example, by the deadline, I will have finished work. By the year 2020, I will have finished the project. See, we have already discussed that will be there. Okay? So, will have and the third form. Third form is finished. More example, I will have finished dinner by the time she calls me tonight. Okay? This is the present time. At 6 p.m. most probably I will finish dinner. When she will call me at 8 o'clock, at that time, by that time, I will have finished my dinner. Okay? Or we can also say, by the time she calls me tonight, I will have finished dinner. So, the future perfect tense definition is, as a verb form, the most common use of the past participle. Past participle, the third form of the verb, is to form what are known as the past perfect tense. They are called perfect because they refer to actions that have been or will be completed. Okay? So by that time, the task will be completed. Okay, so future perfect tense, if positive sentences are there, we are going to use subject, will, have, and the third form. For example, subject is the doer, right? He will have, third form, done it by this evening. By the time, you need to say which time, okay? If you are making a negative sentence, so if the rest of the sentence will remain the same, only after will you are going to add not. He will not have done it by this evening. Now, if you need to make a question, interrogative sentence, then will come in the beginning and subject will go after will. Rest of the sentence will remain the same. Will he have done it by this evening? Question mark. Okay? This is one of the table that you can see. Infinitives is to be, future perfect tense, positive will be will have been, negative will not have been, and if I have to make question, will I have been. In the same way, to have. Sorry. If I have to use the infinitive to have, then future perfect tense will be will have had. You will have had. Negative, you will not have had. And questioning will be will you have had. Then we have got to do. Third form is done, and the rest of the formula will remain the same. For say, third form is said. Get, third form is gotten. Make, third form is made. Go, gone. Take, taken. See, seen. Come will remain come. Infinitives to come. Future perfect will have come. Negative will not have come. And interrogative will it have come. Actual sentence, how will they be? For example, the statements are the positive ones, okay? Luke will have completed his project by next month. The negative will be will not have completed by next month. And interrogative, will Luke have completed his project by next month? Second sentence, they will have discovered COVID-19 medicine before next year. Will have discovered COVID-19 medicine before next year. Next year से पहले वो medicine discover कर चुके होंगे. The negative will be they will not have discovered the medicine. Interrogative will be will they have discovered? क्या वो कर चुके होंगे? Next sentence, Olivia will have gone to London next week. Olivia will not have gone. And will Olivia have gone? In the same way, next two examples are there. They will have made drones until January, and we will have taken the exams by the end of April. 10 sentences of future perfect tense. Okay? These are some examples just for the discussions. Number 1, let's see, I will have finished my homework by dinner time. डिनर टाइम तक मैं अपना होमवर्क ख़त्म कर चुका हूँगा. How long will you have lived in this city next year? Next, build. Please just see the structure. Will have is there everywhere. In every sentence, will have is used. ठीक है? And the third form of the verb. Third form of the verb means finished, lived, lived, build, D, first form, second and third, built. Taken, first form take, second took, and third taken. Go, went, and gone. Graduate, graduated. Fall, fell, fallen. Finished, finished. Start, started, started. Write, wrote, and written. And you will also see the time is also given by dinner time, next year, by next summer, by 2 hours, next year, in 2 years, and by the time we get home, by June, by the time I arrive to the school, and by the time you find her. Time is also given. Okay, this is the translation so that you will understand it better. Okay, they will have completed their work. वो अपना काम ख़त्म कर चुके होंगे. ठीक है, they will have completed their work. The sun will have set in. सूरज गुरूब हो चुका होगा. Guest will have come. मेहमान आ चुके होंगे. They will have offered the prayers. उन्होंने नमाज पढ़ ली होगी. These are all positive sentences. Offered the prayers, नमाज पढ़ ली होगी. Okay? The doctor will not have dressed. Will, negative not, have, and third form dressed. The injured means जख्मी. डॉक्टर ने जख्मी की मरहम पट्टी नहीं की होगी. They will not have made this mistake. This is also negative. Not have, will not have made. उन्होंने ये गलती नहीं की होगी. They will not have read the newspaper. Read the newspaper. This is third form. That's why I'm saying it read, not read. वो अखबार नहीं पढ़ चुके होंगे. No passenger will have boarded the bus. Boarded means सवार होना. कोई मुसाफिर बस में सवार नहीं हुआ होगा. Boarded means बस में सवार होना. Will all the birds have flown? Flown, fly, flew, flown. Fly meanings उड़ना. तो क्या तमाम परिंदे उड़ चुके होंगे? ये क्वेश्चनिंग सेंटेंस आ गया. बिगिनिंग में we were having 4 sentences positive, then 4 sentences negative. Now question sentences. क्या वो जुए में सब कुछ हार चुका होगा? Will he have lost everything in gambling? Will he have lost, lose, lost and lost. Where will passenger have stayed last night? Stayed means ठहरना, रुकना. मुसाफिर कल रात, last night, कल रात कहाँ ठहरे होंगे? Where will this accident have happened to him? उसको ये हादसा, accident, कहाँ पेश आया? Where? Now this is questioning sentence with interrogative words. He will have been promoted. He will have been promoted. उसे तरक्की दी जा चुकी होगी. Promoted, promotion, तरक्की. The foundation of the college will have been laid. Laid means रखा जाना. कॉलेज की बुनियाद, फाउंडेशन, बुनियाद रखी जा चुकी होंगी. Will the fields have been plowed? क्या खेतों में हल चलाया जा चुका होगा? हल चलाना is plowing. This is the end of the concept of future perfect tense. I hope you have understood. Now see the third video, which is related to our book work. Okay? And then you will be working in the book and the copy. Okay? Allah Hafiz.